morning from a sunny Butlins Minehead. What a morning it's been so far. So we all got up very early after hardly any sleep because it's absolutely boiling here. We all brought fans, so that helped. But we got up early. I went to the shop and got some breakfast stuff and made breakfast. Then we realised that my father-in-law's forgotten all his medication, which is very important. So after realising they were definitely, or finding out they were definitely back at home, my wonderful, wonderful, wonderful superwoman sister-in-law, Helena, who also happens to be a nurse, went online to 111, filled in some forms, because to get back home it takes between 2.5 and 3.5 hours. So that was also an option to go and pick them up. But anyway, Helena saved the day. She messaged 111, put in an emergency prescription, which was okayed, and they went to the pharmacy in Tesco's, which is just down the road, and that's where they are at the moment. Hopefully they've managed to pick up the medication. So the day is saved by Helena. Thank you, Helena, you are wonderful. We are going to play bowling. Not me personally, but some of the gang. I think there's 8 out of the 14 of us are bowling today. So they booked our online, and I will give you all the information on how much it costs when we get there. That is the queue for the swimming, by the way. Do you have to book the swimming? No, I just wonder whether you have to book the swimming. So the queue is right up there, and Amy said you've got to book it and then queue up. They've also got high ropes as well that you can book. And this is the big top circus, which I've never seen before. I still haven't worked out what's going on in there. So the price for 8 adults bowling was £64. And like I said, we pre-booked it and then paid when we got here. So there's the 8 that are doing the bowling. And we're in the sports centre where it's right at the back of the main area. By the arcades is where this sports place is, and they've got bowling, they've got darts, they've got quite a lot of things. Looks like a lot of the things you have to pre-book. Well, 8 of them played and Darren won the bowling. Well done, Darren. We come out now so that we can watch the children's entertainment, but the only child we've got on the party has gone AWOL. I think she's running around, but still they have got entertainment in the daytime for the children. And our trains are going to get smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller until the floor. Smaller and smaller. Okay, it's lunchtime now, so I've just been in the Firehouse Grill and the pub up there, not sure what the name of it is. Inn on the Green is closed for now, but whatever one is up there anyway. As always, we're in search of gluten-free meals. Now the fish shop, the fish and chip shop here, say that they do sell gluten-free, but they can't guarantee that it's gluten-free totally because of the proximity of the kitchen. So that's not really helpful, I'm afraid. Firehouse Grill, they were a bit more helpful. They said, well, a lot more helpful. They said to download the app on the QR code. It'll tell you then whether it's got gluten in it. Also, the guy who was on the front desk said that we could go and have a table there, and he would call the chef over, and the chef would discuss what was in the ingredients, which was really, really helpful. But we decided on plan C, or plan D, or maybe even plan E, which is to buy some gluten-free, available in other brands, gluten-free jacket potatoes, because they don't sell potatoes in the shop on site, and we got some cheese, so we're going to have jacket potato, cheese and beans, which are gluten-free. So very happy, very hungry, very hot, but still, at least we can eat. We're in Studio 36 at the moment and we're watching Royal Rhapsody, which is a Queen tribute. Somebody's trying to outbeat me with their announcement. But yeah, we're all here, we pre-booked, but we still had to queue up, so they said that we still had to queue up for 25 minutes to get in, 20 minutes to get in. B-serve option is available, so you can order at the table. There's a bar right at the back, there's also toilets here, and there's air conditioning, which is the best thing, because we're absolutely scorching. So it was nice to come in from the heat into the air conditioning. So we've just come into Reds for some more entertainment, just about to do the bingo bongo after the singers finished. And they are the sober ones. Yeah! Oh, right. She's got her feet on the wrong way. We're all playing bingo bango. Apparently, there's no lights. So,
shared photo album.
Which is why we all head all around the lights. Tickets are free. Yay! Dad's very happy to be playing. Yeah. So tickets are free, and it's a bit different to the normal bingo that you would find in the bingo halls around the UK.
4, 3, 2, 1, hit it!
Nice, well done.
Look, again, it's my start.
Go